Hi, I'm Zsolt Kátai with Blue Sky, window and gutter cleaning, and just doing this little video to be of some help to owners, house owners, and property managers. I have my goal as a business owner to help homeowners and property managers with a professional and quality maintenance services so they can retain and or increase the value of their homes and properties. And that's the first part of my goal anyway. The other is to maintain and spread ethical business practices and also to provide a sane and safe working environment for my staff. But I'm just gonna focus on the first part to help homeowners and hopefully property managers, maybe even those who were thinking or getting into this this trade of cleaning gutters and repairing gutters and washing windows and pressure washing, etc., etc. Home services, I guess they call that. So first I just wanted to go over some of the basics, some terminology and parts of the gutter system, the drainage system that you probably have on your house. And I have this display item here. It's a aluminum gutter. This is the actual channel that goes horizontally, and it's attached to a fascia board or maybe straight to your rafters, to the roof edge. So so that would be the gutter channel. As you can see, one end is actually closed. This is called an end cap. Inside, this is just a display item, as I mentioned, so it's not sealed, but it would be sealed with caulking or a sealant all around there, obviously. And this is just an open end. And here's another quite obvious part I'm gonna take out. It's called the hanger. It hooks into the gutter and then snaps in quite loud, and here goes the fastener, a nail, or in modern times more like screw, and it can be adjusted, slided wherever you need to. Usually every 2-3 feet you should have a hanger, and that holds the gutter in place. Now I'm sure you are wondering about all these holes and things. So again, it's for displaying, so it shows the different size. I could show you like this, of drainage holes, drain holes, or as they are called, outlets. It's not an electrical outlet or outlet store, it's a different kind of outlet, and that's just the name of it. And that's the piece that filters out, keeps the big chunky debris from getting into your pipe, and also connects the gutter to the downpipe. Now technically speaking, this part that's sticking out at the bottom of the gutter is the outlet, and the inside part is the strainer. But as you can see, these are plastic and they are one piece. So outlet, strainer, doesn't matter what you call it, it's all good. On this part, however, we have the outlet separate, and you can have a strainer just slid in there, removable. It's really nice for cleaning. So different sizes. This is a 2-inch diameter, 2.5, and 3, or more precisely 2 3/4. Well, I just like to refer to it as 3-inch, easier to say, and basically determines how much water your downpipes will be able to handle. One thing is, how big is your gutter? Usually it's a 5-inch gutter that you have, at least here in Vancouver, BC. Canada, and the outlet will determine how much you can go at the same time, right? The bigger it is, the more it can handle, obviously. So if you have a heavy rain and it overflows, you're wondering why, well, you can't see this because here is a pipe, a down pipe. It covers it up, right? If it's put together right, nicely, got a screw there, and you don't see it. We see it when we go up on a ladder, onto the roof, whatnot, and then we can see, oh, okay, of course it's overflowing when you have heavy rain, because it's just a little 2-inch thing, and it's already clogged up inside, like all the debris is just, you can't even see the strainer from the debris. So little things like that make a big difference. And the fourth one, as you can see, is like a big funnel. It's called a hopper. I'm covering myself, but that's okay. The main thing is to see this, and I'll show the back of it. You see it goes all the way up, and then it actually fastened there. And again, it's just a display. It would be sealed all around. Same thing with these. They would be sealed, but not in this one. It's just for show. And obviously this can handle most, but if someone puts this in, you have to also basically modify your downpipe, etc. So you can actually handle it. And again, another piece is the elbows. It's actually 2 elbows put together. And the interesting part of that, and the important part, usually it's attached to the edge of the roof, right? And you have this. It's actually going to be the other way around, but I guess it doesn't matter too much. Like that. And this is called a gooseneck. Sometimes you have a piece of pipe here. Or actually, wrong way around. Should be like this. And because it resembles a goose's neck. But the point is that this is where you get the clogs, right? I mean, you can have a clog up here inside, but this is the more dangerous clog, because that's where the debris can kind of get stuck, and then build up, and the water is just coming up and over the gutter. So these are the basic parts: elbow, channel, outlet, strainer, hanger, end cap, hopper. It's not so basic. You don't see that as often, but anyway. And downpipe. You can see maybe it's green, and this is black. There are all sorts of colors of gutters and pipes, and I'm just showing you these two. Most common is the white and the brown, or technically speaking, nutmeg. And but you can have whatever your heart's desire, really. Whatever your painter can do, actually, as well. And these are the basic parts. So I hope it helped you a little bit understand your drainage a little bit better, your gutter system. There's more to it. There are the valleys and flat roofs, and there are built-in and inbuilt or inbuilt gutters, same difference, which are part of your roof. And this one is not, it's actually attached. It's easier to kind of handle, modify, and repair. But these are basic parts, and I don't want to make this video very long, so thank you for watching, and I'll end off here. Again, Zsolt Kátai, and hopefully it was to some help to you. Bye.